Shine bright. Understanding, draw the spotlight. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that often appears in English conversations and writings: draw the spotlight. This phrase is not just about lights and stages. It's a metaphor that enriches our communication. So, let's dive in and discover the depths of this expression together. Draw the spotlight refers to the act of attracting attention or becoming the focus of interest in a particular situation. Imagine a theater where a spotlight shines on the most important performer at the moment. Similarly, when someone draws the spotlight, they become the center of attention, just like that performer. It's often used to describe situations where a person, idea, or event becomes notably prominent or under scrutiny by a wider audience. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to formal presentations. Here are a few examples. In the workplace, a team member who presents a groundbreaking idea might draw the spotlight during a meeting. In social situations, a person who tells an engaging story at a party could draw the spotlight among friends. In public discourse, an issue that suddenly becomes a major topic of discussion is said to draw the spotlight in media. It's versatile and helps convey the idea of gaining attention effectively, whether for individuals, concepts, or issues. Understanding and using phrases like draw the spotlight enhances your English communication skills, making it more vivid and expressive. It allows you to describe complex social dynamics succinctly and vividly. Moreover, recognizing such expressions can improve your comprehension when reading English literature, following media stories, or engaging in conversations where metaphors and idioms play a crucial role. We hope this exploration of draw the spotlight has illuminated its meaning and uses for you. Phrases like this enrich our language and make it more colorful and expressive. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to draw the spotlight in your English learning journey. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video. Remember, every step you take in learning brings you closer to fluency. Keep shining, and let's make learning English an enjoyable adventure together.